Welcome to our cabbage patch. Here we grow larger vegetables such as potatoes, courgette and pumpkin. We also make sure we've got treats for the bees such as wildflower and sunflowers. And we also have some pretty plants for the entrance. Welcome to the Tatty Boggle Garden, aka the Scarecrow Garden. In here we have lots of pretty plants as well as fruit and vegetables, as you can see with all our planters. We've got some goji berries growing, lettuce, beetroot, spinach, kale, honeyberry, gooseberries, raspberries, currant. And over here we've got our birdhouse made by our awesome garden volunteers. Some cucumbers. And in here is our greenhouse full of tomatoes. And we've got a mini citrus tree, we've got olive trees. Hi Minion! And our wildflower pots. Welcome to the Bonnywee Garden, also known as the herb garden. In here is a lot more sensory plants, all about visual work, feeling, smelling. We've got rose bushes, my favorite, chocolate mint, more rose bushes, bay leaf, lavender. These herbs that we grow here we use in our cafe meals and our cooking skill groups. And right in the middle is our wee little bee cafeteria. It's really nice just to walk through here, feel all the different things, put your hands on. We've had to cover the mint because a couple of the birds quite like it. So we also grow indoor plants. Here's our lily bench. And all these benches here are handmade by us, and we propagate various of these plants